You guys haven't. I'd like to ask all of you a question. The boys, please. So, out of love, family, sex, career, money. I'm not going to say orgasm, divorce. Just for you, Karan. What would you choose, Sumit? Love?
It's a very odd time for me to answer.
Why do you think I'm asking this question? Because it's an odd time. Come on.
What would I choose?
Yes, yes. Money, love, career, sex.
Wow, I would choose love.
You would choose love. Vivan,
शादी तो हो चुकी तो करियर इम्पोर्टेंट है
career. Purab.
I think love.
Okay.
Yeah, I think love. शादी मेरी भी हो गई पर love also.
See, all the women out there are like excited. Okay, Karan.
Sorry, sex was an option?
Huh?
Sex was an option?
Sex is always an option, Karan.
Sex.
And you shouldn't be asking that.
Totally sex.
Yes.
Especially standing next to her.
Okay. Okay. Swara, 1 second. Since all the boys have answered, I would really like you to think about it and answer because that's what the whole season depends on. We don't know whether they are lying, telling the truth. The show will tell us. What's your take? Season 2.
I rejected you in the first season, so you're out of this. Well, I think that if what are the options? Career, family, what?
Career, family, love, sex, money.
Twitter.
I agree. I totally agree. No, Sumit really knows her.
Well, I think that doing this show has made me realize that women deserve it all, including Twitter. So,
All right.
yeah, I choose all.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes.
But honestly, I mean, I just want, sorry. No, I just want to say that I'm coming back for the second time to It's Not That Simple along with Vivan and Karanveer. And Danish, of course. And okay, and a lot of people. But as Meera. Yeah. Apart from Purab and Sumit. But I think that every time that I've done It's Not That Simple, I feel like I've learned something new. Not just about life and relationships, but also about myself. Because I spent the whole first season asking Danish, कि ये कैसी horrible औरत है. And Danish kept saying to me that, no, but women can be flawed and women can be confused. And, why do you want to always play these virtuous characters? And then I came back on this season and I read the episode and I called up Danish. And this time I also called Monica and the Wood team. And I was like, yeah, अभी भी horrible औरत है. और ये और भी horrible हो गई है. And they were like, nahi, but Swara,
Swara,
people can...
Sorry, I don't agree
Should I
with
stop
that.
talking?
You are irreverent on Twitter and you want to be conservative in real life. Sorry, bad example.
I'm just trying, the world should know that my Twitter personality is not my real.
I'm going to stop you right there.
No, but I just want to say that it's...
in the show.
No, it is
Let's keep it
absolutely...
to
I think that it's not that simple. Both 1 and 2 are doing amazing things in terms of content and in terms of the content that Indian audiences see. Because I think that like the first season was the first time you saw an affair from the perspective of a woman. I think that in the second season, we now see the very real struggles of a single working mother. And the idea that even mothers who we put on such a pedestal can, struggle with ambition, with the desire for love, for partnership, for family, and for success. So just thank you, Woot, for teaching me that.
Absolutely. Thank you. And I will get everyone to sort of have a one-on-one conversation at the end of this. I have to present 18 shows, guys. So we have to scram.
We'll get out.
Thank you, cast. Could you
Thank
please
you.
go backstage? And guys, please take your seats. Thank you. Thank you. Later, please. Oh. Yeah? Okay. Now? Okay. Satyadeep Mishra. Hello. Thank you. And Kubra Seth. Hello. All right. And I would also like to call upon the wonderful writer of the series, the very fabulous Reshu Nath. the director Sahir Raza, the director of photography Sameer Arya, and of course the powerhouse Samar Khan from Irada Entertainment. Please. This is the wonderful cast and crew of the show, ladies and gentlemen, and I have one question for all the lawyers on stage, not the fabulous crew, but the lawyers on stage. Do lawyers really have a conscience? I want it answered as quickly as possible for us to see the show. Yes. Who would? Piyush ji.
हाँ होती है
Yes.
खूब होती है अरे खूब 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 होती है वो कॉन्शियस होती है उनके अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए जो उन्हें पैसे देते हैं जो उन्हें अपॉइंट करते हैं तो उस वक्त से जो उनकी कॉन्शियस हो जाती है उनके क्लाइंट वो क्या चाहते हैं वो उनका रिजल्ट जो है लाने की कोशिश करते हैं पूरे तन मन धन से दैट्स ऑल इनकलाब जिंदाबाद
Okay, as Niharika, I thought that I was told that they don't. I've become a lawyer to prove that they do.
Wonderful.
Conscience is that very tiny voice in your head that tells you right from wrong, and some people listen to that voice and some don't.
Well, as a corporate lawyer, it really depends on the job.
Yes, that's a deep one. I agree. And what do you do from behind bars? Thank you very much. We like even the stare. Thank you, Kubra. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. All the artists backstage, please. And thank you, guys. Oh, okay. Okay, yes, I'm told. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you. Moving on. Yes. Moving on. Thank you for your patience, folks. Yes. Moving on. A very, very, my personal favorite.